Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can FaceTime on Android. Okay, so basically, FaceTiming on Android is basically impossible. FaceTime is an application that is only related to iPhone and the Apple ecosystem. But there is a kind of application that I really like and you can use. It is actually called the Google Duo or the Google Meet. Okay, basically you can download it from the Play Store. It is an application that you can use here. If it's an application that you can download, you're going to find it on Google. As you can see, it's called Google Meet. Okay, so Google Meet is really fun because it is the most optimized like video calling app, and it could work with your PC and your Android and your phone because you can download it basically anywhere. So I see it more versatile than the FaceTime that Apple has. So once you're in, you're going to click on New over here at over here at the bottom right corner, and once you click on New, all the numbers that you have saved on your device, you can now call. And if they have Google Duo, you're going to also Google Meet, you're going to call them, and you're going to have one of the best good-looking calls that you can find. And it's actually available in most countries, unlike like Messenger or something, for example, that doesn't work in some countries. So yeah, that's why I see Google Duo is one of the best applications that you can use. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you